Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Yaheetech yoga and massage bed that they sent to me for the video. I have to say that this is really cool. It comes in multiple colors, but also the most important thing is so easy to use. It is foldable. I'm going to show that one to you in a few seconds, as well as the accessories and how to use it. We're going to call my wife for you to see how to use it. But the best thing about this one is the size. This is, when it's folded, it's just 28 inches and comes with a handle so you can grab it. When it's unfolded, it's 63 inches by 36 inches wide. So this is bigger than the one that they had before. It's kind of like an upgraded device. I want to say like an upgraded model. This pure leather is super easy to wash, as you can see. And again, it comes in multiple colors. This is the pinky one, but it comes in other multiple colors in case that you need something like that. So if you're kind of like starting your own massage business, or you already have a massage business, or you want to use this at home, because you can use it at home as well. We have it in here, we tried it, and I think we're gonna just use it at home because it's really cool for the people that likes massage. I don't like massages personally, but my wife loves them, so I'm really happy that I can just provide of that to her and just and kind of like help for that relaxation and relaxing experience that she needs. So let's take a closer look, and then we're gonna use it and we're gonna fold it again. So something super cool right here is that in case that you need to prolong a taller person or something like that, it comes with this headrest, so you can use it for putting their head in it, and you can see that you can put it in a fold position if you need, or you can just put it in a horizontal position, or just a little bit like that in case that the person is facing up, so you can they can put their neck right here, and locking it is super easy. Once that is in position, you can just lock it with the lock on the right, and that's it. This is Velcro, by the way, so you can actually take it out if you need, and comes with a zipper, so you can actually use it to wash it if you need. Also, of course, right here it comes for the face, so the person can be facing down and put in their mouth and their nose and their chin and everything right here. So that is really convenient. We're gonna let it out, and right here it comes with the armrest, so you can just put the armrest right here. Super easy on both sides. I'm gonna put the other one right here. Again, it is really easy. This is the only thing you need to do. So now the armrests are in position. And I also like the fact that it comes with a cover and a carry-on bag. And right here, this is a separate one for the headrest. In case that you need it, you can hang it from the main headrest right there and keep it in position. It comes with these straps. So I think that's also really cool. Remember, this one comes in multiple colors. Last but not least, you will find that this is reinforced, as well as this kind of like steel or metal ropes right here that kind of like keep it in place, I want to say. And also you can adjust and change the height and all the four legs, which is super easy to do. So you can change it in multiple positions if you need. Then I'm going to show you how to fold it, but now let's call my wife so you can see how good this is. And also this one supports more than 300 pounds, so take that into account. So again, I really like the fact that it comes with the hole right there for their chin, for the other person's chin, and the nose, the mouth, and everything, so they can keep breathing and give that relaxed position. So it is really easy to work on this, as you can see right here. It has plenty of space, as I was telling you before. It's like 63 inches, and also it's super wide with a 60. Actually, it was 36 inches wide. So the person that is here can also extend their arms right here with the armrest on the side. So that's also really cool in case that you need to work on their arms or the wrist or something like that, or kind of like their shoulders. So that's actually really good as well. But the other best thing, as I was telling you before, if you're working with a taller person like 6.2, 6.3 or something like that, you can extend this for them to put their head again and being able to breathe while you're just like performing the massage or something like that. So I think that's also really good. And to fold it back, you can see that it has a special place right here to put all the accessories, and it's as easy as just doing this right here. And you can do this with this leg and then the other one. And once that is fairly down, just like that, you can just keep kind of like closing this. And once that is all closed, just like this, you can see that comes with the locks. So you lock both of them just like that. And right here, you're going to find that comes, let me show you, with the handle, so you can actually take it with you on the go. It's not super heavy, I have to say. So one more time, this could be pretty good if you're starting your business, or you have a business, or you can just use it at home. You saw how easy it is to use, but also how comfy and big and reliable with all the accessories. I like it. I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.